We're making Sunday night dinner. We're having a matriciana guanciale.
Yes.
Look at that slab. What a slab.
Just use half of it.
True.
It's half.
Yeah, that's a nice half.
All right. I'm just dicing up the guanciale here.
We got the guanciale at Uncle Giuseppe's, and I think maybe because it was Sunday or something, there was a man.
We got a little show at the grocery store.
Yeah, there was a man with a microphone just like singing. It was going throughout the whole grocery store. It was crazy. Never seen that before. I'll insert a clip if you guys are curious. He's singing. He's the one singing in the grocery store.
Thumbsies.
Just gonna fill a pot with water. Oh, we're also gonna make a salad. We'll show you that too.
All right, let's get this in a pot. Get this rendering. Nice.
I don't feel like holding it. There you go.
You know how they say a watched pot doesn't boil? It does. It eventually does boil. Let's cut up some onion.
Yep. Don't get this. This is just a very small piece.
Small as you go. Smallish. Wow. Guanciale go in. Thank you for the movie recommendations, by the way, everyone.
Oh yeah.
Some great stuff in there. Try to watch them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should have a Google Doc. And just go down the list.
Just go down the list, right on down. Onions.
It's nice for a little Sunday dinner. Snowing yesterday, raining out today.
True. Gloomy-ish.
Yeah.
Pasta is good. I'll prep the salad now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, show them. They'll like to see it. Show them.
No.
He doesn't want to show you guys. He feels shy. You'll never know. So for the salad, we found these lovely purple or red endive, also at Uncle Giuseppe's with the singing man. So we're gonna use that. Merrily we fall out of line. Have you seen that? Like that song everywhere?
Strangers in the Night?
No. The Merrily we fall.
Nah.
Oh. Never mind then. How pretty is that endive? Beautiful. So the salad is going to be this lovely endive and this Cashel blue cheese, Kerrygold, a delicious blue cheese. Delish. So it's gonna be that. And then also these cute little pears that we got from Uncle Giuseppe's as well. We're gonna shave it on there. And then, oh yes, and also I made these maple spiced walnuts earlier. They're very good. And we're gonna just put that on there a little bit. And then, yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Wanna try a little blue cheese?
Hell yeah.
You haven't tried this one yet, right? Creamy, bluey. That's gonna be good. Ooh, with a little nut, oil snack. Let's look at the guanciale. It's looking good. Beautiful.
Yeah. A little deep fry.
Water's close. Sauce is not. Sauce is not. Blue cheese all over. And with the endive, all the like toppings kind of fit in there like a little boat. And it's just so good. I'm just gonna refrigerate this for now and then we'll add the other stuff right before we eat it.
Guanciale is looking wonderful.
And we'll just add in our onions. Some people don't put onions, I think. So I like onions in this. Don't get mad. And bring in some garlic. This is the lazy girl mince. But it's Sunday. I'm lazy. Put it in. More, maybe more. Flip this all down so it's nice and soft. Just gonna heat a little bit.
Snack.
Oh, puppy wants one. Sit.
What's everyone else's favorite thing to cook on a Sunday?
That's a great question. You don't want to rush this part. You want melty onions. You don't want a hard onion.
No.
That's no good.
I'm gonna add a little white wine to this now.
Be glazy. Probably reduce this mostly, almost all the way.
To sec.
To sec. It must be sec.
Looking good here. Most of the moisture's out.
I'm probably only gonna do like half, or if that, maybe a third.
All right, let this thing simmer for
20
minutes.
20-ish. 30, 20, 30. Water's boiling, sauce is simmered. Now we continue on. Salt the water, We're gonna put in like 3/4 of a pound, not the whole thing. Now the pasta, cook this up. Al dente, al dente.
The box said it takes 9 to 11 minutes, but it says to start checking after 8 minutes. So that's what we'll do.
They're really covering their bases on that. I added everything else to our salad, the shaved pear, the walnuts, and then I also put dill because I love dill.
All right, so let's test it after 8 minutes.
The 8-minute test. Hot.
Oh yeah, it's done.
It's done. Wow. Ready.
Low heat on the sauce.
Right in.
Hungry.
Me too. Give this a good mix to start. And then we'll add pecorino. Oh, this looks good. The ratio, I think. We're good on the ratio here. It's all about the ratio.
Everything in life is about ratios.
That's true. Balance.
Balance.
Balance and ratios. Our microplane is breaking. We need a new one. We've grated too much pecorino on this thing.
It's on its last legs.
Toss that in. It's got to be pecorino. It's like, how many times are you going to say that, Haley? That's a good sound. I think it needs a little pasta water, actually. What do you think?
Yeah.
Just a touch.
Just gonna add some black pepper and some olive oil, and I think we're good to go.
She's done. I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with this.
All right, we're gonna have some salad.
I'm just gonna dress that with lemon and olive oil. Oh, here, let's do that. Olive oil right now. Olive oil on the pasta, olive oil on the salad.
Olive oil all over.
I like dressing it like this and not tossing it, because then it doesn't get muddled. It's
Yeah.
an even dressed salad all over. Flat salad.
Flat salad, flat hand salad.
Yes. Beautifully sauced pasta, nicely dressed salad. What more can you ask for? Oh wow, yours looks good too. Yeah, I guess we should. Eating time. That's a yummy Sunday thing.
Very good.
I like that guanciale. Gotta get a pear. Let's see. Boat salad. It's all in there. Oops. I'd say another winner. It's a really good pear.
All right, we're gonna watch Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Oh! Happy Sunday, you guys. We've really been enjoying making these videos.
Hope you do too.
Watching them. Chuck's doing the cleanup. Thanks, Chuck.
Huh?